Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Have you ever wondered what happens to the food after you take a bite? How does a simple meal turn into energy that keeps you alive? The process is nothing short of a miracle, an incredible journey through mechanical breakdown, chemical transformations, and complex absorption mechanisms. Today, on Knowledge Chronicle, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of digestion and absorption. A process that starts in your mouth and ends with vital nutrients powering every cell of your body. Stay with us till the end because this is something everyone needs to know. The journey of food starts the moment it enters your mouth. Your teeth play the role of a grinding machine, breaking food into smaller pieces, a process called mastication. At the same time, your tongue moves the food around, ensuring that every bite gets mixed with saliva. But saliva is not just water. It contains enzymes and mucus that prepare the food for the next stage. One of the key enzymes is salivary amylase, which begins breaking down starch, like the one found in rice, bread, and potatoes, into a simpler sugar called maltose. Fun fact: did you know that 30% of starch digestion happens right in your mouth? That's why if you chew a piece of bread long enough, it starts tasting sweet. It's already turning into sugar. After chewing, the food is rolled into a bolus, a soft, slippery ball that easily slides down the throat. This process of swallowing is called deglutition. From here, the bolus moves into the esophagus, a long tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. But how does it move down? The answer lies in peristalsis, wave-like muscle contractions that push food downward. Think of it like squeezing toothpaste out of a tube. At the end of the esophagus, a special gate called the gastroesophageal sphincter ensures that food enters the stomach and doesn't come back up, which can cause acid reflux or heartburn. Once inside the stomach, food faces a powerful acid bath. The stomach produces gastric juice, which contains 1-HCl or hydrochloric acid, provides an acidic environment with a pH of 1.8 for digestion and kills harmful bacteria. 2. Pepsinogen converts into pepsin, the enzyme that breaks down proteins into smaller fragments known as peptones and proteoses. 3. Mucus protects the stomach lining from the strong acid. This entire process transforms the food into a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. The stomach keeps churning and mixing for about 4 to 5 hours before passing the chyme into the small intestine. For infants, the stomach also releases an enzyme called renin, which helps digest milk proteins. That's why babies can process milk so efficiently. The small intestine is where most digestion and absorption happen. It receives secretions from the liver, which produces bile that helps in digesting fats by breaking them into smaller droplets, a process known as emulsification. The pancreas contributes pancreatic juice, which contains powerful enzymes like trypsin, chymotrypsin, lipase, and amylase to break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. And finally, the intestinal walls produce intestinal juice, or succus entericus, which contains the final enzymes needed to convert food into its simplest forms for absorption. Breaking down nutrients in the small intestine. Proteins are broken down by trypsin and chymotrypsin into amino acids. Carbohydrates are converted by pancreatic amylase into maltose, lactose, and sucrose, which are further broken down into simple sugars, glucose, fructose, and galactose by enzymes maltase, lactase, and sucrase. Fats are first emulsified by bile into smaller droplets, and then lipase converts them into fatty acids and glycerol. Nucleic acids, such as DNA and RNA from food, are digested by nucleuses into nucleotides and nucleosides. Once digestion is complete, the jejunum and ileum absorb the nutrients into the blood and lymph. The intestinal walls are lined with villi, tiny, finger-like projections that increase the surface area for maximum absorption. Fun fact, if all the villi in your small intestine were flattened out, they would cover a tennis court. That's how efficiently your body absorbs nutrients. The leftover, undigested, and unabsorbed food moves into the large intestine, where water and minerals are absorbed. Beneficial bacteria help in the production of vitamin K and some B vitamins. Mucus helps in binding waste into a solid mass called feces. The rectum temporarily stores the feces until it's ready to be eliminated through defecation. The ileocecal valve ensures that waste does not move back into the small intestine. Interesting fact, did you know that gut bacteria make up nearly 1 kilogram of your body weight? They play a key role in digestion and overall health. Digestion isn't just a mechanical process, it's controlled by the brain and hormones. The sight, smell, or even thought of food can trigger saliva secretion. Similarly, the nervous system and hormones regulate digestive secretions to ensure proper digestion. For example, The hormone gastrin stimulates gastric acid production. Secretin and cholecystokinin, or CCK, control pancreatic enzyme release. The enteric nervous system ensures the smooth movement of food through the intestines. So, digestion is not just about breaking down food, it's a highly coordinated process involving your brain, nerves, enzymes, and hormones. So, next time you eat a meal, remember, it's not just about taste and satisfaction. Your body is working tirelessly to turn food into energy and nutrients that keep you alive. From the first bite to the final exit, digestion is a fascinating journey happening inside you every day. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us create more valuable content. See you in the next video.